The new Magic Wand Waterproof delivers unlimited magic in more places than ever before. As the first magic wand you can enjoy in the bath or shower, the waterproof is also a return to the brand's Japanese roots. Engineered and manufactured in Japan, it's the most powerful and versatile magic wand ever made. Featuring unrivaled rumble, the high-capacity motor reaches speeds of up to 7,000 RPM. The waterproof's intuitive controls let you select from 4 speeds and 4 all-new vibration patterns. With an IPX7 waterproof rating, long-lasting rechargeable battery, and a 1-year warranty, the waterproof is deserving of the trusted Magic Wand name.